Hi, money makers, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to discuss 10 unique ways to increase your income simply by texting. Let's discover these amazing platforms together that will increase your income up to $800 per week from your couch. Let's get into it. First on the list is Working Solutions. They are all about virtual customer service. Engage in live chats, support clients, and get paid on your time. Not to mention, you'll get to choose the flexibility in your hours. So there are no requirements there. They are also willing to train you. To get started with Working Solutions, head over to workingsolutions.com. And in the top right corner, you'll see apply to work from home. You want to select that area there. Just keep in mind that the pay is typically hourly. Many people have reported an average of $12 to $18. However, there are some agents reporting up to earning $30 per hour. If you're working an average of 40 hours per week at $18 an hour, you will make approximately $720. However, if you are high performing, making the $30 an hour and working the same 40 hours a week, you can make $1,200 for that week. Again, it's based on your hourly pay and the number of hours that you're willing to work. But this is a huge opportunity, guys. At number 2 is Just Answers. If you're an expert in any field, medicine, law, car repairs, academia, and anything in between, you qualify. The whole idea here is to get paid by your answers, and believe it or not, you can do this from the comfort of your home. One thing to keep in mind, the more specialized you are, there's a great likelihood that you could be making more money. So by all means, if you're highly credentialed or not, but if you have a specialty, this is the platform or the job for you. To get started with Just Answers, go over to justanswer.com. And once you get there, you want to go to About Us and select Careers. That will allow you the opportunity to register with the company and to get started with the work. Now, keep in mind that if you are working for Just Answer, payments are typically on a per answer basis, and it's based on your expertise. Also, keep in mind that there are some people that are reporting in earnings from $2,000 to $7,000 per month. But again, it is contingent upon your expertise and availability. If you are a person that prefer pure texting, text 121 chat is the job for you. The great thing about this is that they offer right now adult as well as non-adult chatting opportunities. Just make sure that if you are choosing this particular platform to work on, that you find something that you're comfortable with and something you can authentically communicate about. But there are huge opportunities for you. To jumpstart your career with Text 121 Chat, just head over to text121chat.com and keep in mind that you can apply here where it says in the up right corner, operators apply here. Also in the middle of the page there, it says operator vacancies. You want to make sure that you remember that pay is generally per message and the average is about 7 cents per message. When you look at the hourly pay, it's between $10 and $14 an hour. So if you're averaging closer to the $10 per hour, you will make around $400 US per week. However, if you are averaging more around the $14 per hour, you will make $480 per week. Keep in mind that they will ask for a background check. I'm not sure if it is one that they will provide or if you have to provide it. But they do want a background check, guys. Up next is the chat shop. They provide live chat services for many different types of businesses. And please don't worry if you don't have any experience. They're willing to train you as long as you're willing to work. So don't allow the fact that you don't have a whole wealth of experience to actually prohibit you from pursuing this opportunity. Their whole motto is to put humanity back into customer service and sales. They are looking for international as well as candidates in the United States. It's a huge opportunity. Start off by going to thechatshop.com, and you want to actually go to About in order to get started. You will see careers. You want to select that, and you will begin the process in becoming an employee with the chat shop. The pay is usually hourly. So keep that in mind, with the average person making around $10 per hour or more. So if you are working an average of 40 hours a week, you can make at least 400 US dollars and greater. The fifth opportunity is Live World. It's a fantastic platform for those people that are savvy with navigating social media. They will hire you for opportunities such as moderating forums or engaging with audiences, things of that nature. If you are a person that's very active on social media, why not get paid for it, guys? This is your opportunity to make money for all of the interaction that you currently do on social media. Huge opportunity here. Once you go over to liveworld.com, you'll be asked to make a selection, choose a path. You want to select either healthcare or more industries based on your expertise or your area of interest. Once you're there, you're given the opportunity to select at the top right, careers. You want to select that, and it will take you here where you will actually apply for a role. Keep in mind that the pay is typically per hour, and the rates are based on your role. With some positions, you will earn more money than others. The pay on average is around $8 to $15 per hour or more for the more specialized roles or expertise. That said, you could make on average between 320 to 600 US dollars if you work an average of 40 hours a week. So there you have it, guys. Another great opportunity here. Number 6 is friendly.com. It is a social media network application that will pay you to interact with the clients. This platform is widely used and very popular, and there are various types of opportunities that are waiting for you. So at friendly.com is where you would actually go to become an employee. You want to make sure that you recognize that this, although it says start flirting, it is definitely only an online service. It is not in any way anything other than that. If you are naturally flirtatious, or if you don't have a problem with this particular site, then by all means, give it a try. The agents for this particular platform makes on average 35 cents per minute. And if you work 40 hours a week, you can earn up to $840 per week. This is a huge amount of money, given the fact that you are allowed to work remotely. At number 7 is Chat Recruit. Chat Recruit is a diverse opportunity from video to text. The more opportunities you're open to, the more you could potentially make on this environment. So you want to be able to open your horizons in terms of making more money. From chatrecruit.com, you could actually apply for the various types of jobs at the top there. You want to make sure that you keep in mind that the payment model varies based on the type of chat. The phone versus video versus text. Video chats are usually earn more than the text chats, but of course it's more involved as well. Some hosts report earning up to $2 per minute for video chats. If your goal is to make at least $800 per week, you need on average about 8 messages or 8 chats per hour. You can set your rate whereby you receive 65% and the site gets the remainder. But the site does make money off of your chats as well. If real-time engagement is your strength, then site staff coming in at number 8 is the right opportunity for you. They hire hosts to engage with website tours, turning casual browsers into potential customers. If you are very savvy and you're willing to work with different types of people, this is a huge opportunity and again, can earn you quite a bit of money. To get started, head over to sitestaffchat.com. Keep in mind that the pay rates can vary based on the experience and efficiency. So if you're very efficient and you have a wealth of experience, you can make up to $26.95 per hour or even more. Also, that if you are making the $26.95 an hour and you work a total of 40 hours, you can make anywhere from $1,078 or greater. At number 9 is Arise. Arise is very flexible and it's all about connecting businesses with customer service. You can choose what business you work with and tailor your hours. So if you work less, get paid less. But if you're willing to work and you are diverse in your approach and the number of people or types of people you're working with, you can make some money on this platform. To get started, head over to arise.com and select sign up for work from home in the top right corner. Payments are usually hourly and contingent upon the client. Most people report that they have made anywhere from $14 to $32 an hour based on the client. So you could make anywhere from $560 to $1,280 per week. That is an awesome salary. Number 10 is Mod Squad. For those of you that thrive in a community management arena, this is a golden opportunity. You get to manage forums, moderate chats, and keep online communities healthy and engaging. Once you're on modsquad.com, you can become a part of the team by selecting the Join the Mods in the top right corner. Keep in mind that the hourly pay can be based on the project or the client. Many of the agents have reported that they've made from 11 to 20 an hour or even more. So there's a huge range there. But definitely, if you are qualified and you get a project that's high paying, you could make anywhere from $448 to $800 per week or more. So there's a huge range there and a lot of opportunity to maximize your earning potential. Now, I do have one bonus opportunity for you, and this is definitely for those of you who don't mind flirting. Now, we're not talking about anything illegal, but if you know you have the art of flirting, then flirtbucks.net will pay you for flirting online. Right. I know you guys are like, really? Yes. So if you have a flirtatious spirit, definitely take a look at flirtbucks.net. From flirtbucks.net, you want to make sure that you take a look at the features on the left-hand column. You get to set your own hours, work from home, and get paid by check or PayPal. There are no upfront fees or investments required. Agents are getting paid around 40 cents per minute. You have to apply and provide a photo identification in order to qualify. If you are committed to at least 34 hours of texting per week, you will make on average around $800. So these were the 10 platforms to kickstart your texting to earning journey. But remember, like all endeavors, consistency, dedication, and genuine engagement are key. Your potential earnings are always tied to your effort and your time. So if you put in time and effort, you will definitely gain If not $800 a week, you will exceed it. If you found this video very helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, families, co-workers, and subscribe for more content and financial tips every week. So tell me, which platform are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments.